Hey there, fashion lovers! Today I'm sharing some super simple tips to keep your synthetic jewelry sparkling and looking fabulous. Whether it's a statement necklace or those killer earrings, let's make sure they stay in top shape. Alright, let's dive in. First off, what exactly is synthetic jewelry? These pieces are made from materials like beads, base metals, glass, and imitation stones. They're more affordable and versatile compared to fine jewelry. Knowing what your jewelry is made of helps you take care of it properly. Synthetic jewelry faces a few common enemies: air, moisture, and chemicals. Air exposure can lead to tarnish and oxidation, while humidity can cause rust or corrosion in base metals. And chemicals from things like cleansers, lotions, and fragrances can dull stones and damage finishes. So how do you clean synthetic jewelry? It's easy. For metal jewelry, just wipe it down with a soft, damp cloth. Use a soft bristled brush for intricate details. For glass and gemstone pieces, use a mild soap and water solution, but make sure not to submerge items with glued components. Plastic or resin jewelry, rinse with lukewarm water and wipe with a soft cloth, avoiding any abrasive materials to prevent scratches. Now let's talk storage. Proper storage is key to keeping your jewelry in mint condition. Store each piece individually in its own pouch to prevent tangling and scratches. Keep them out of direct sunlight to avoid fading, and add anti-tarnish strips to your jewelry box to reduce oxidation. Silica gel packets are great for absorbing moisture and keeping things dry. When it comes to wearing your jewelry, a few tips can make a big difference. Apply lotions and perfumes before putting on your jewelry to reduce chemical contact. Take off your pieces during activities like cleaning, working out, or swimming to avoid damage. And be mindful of extreme temperatures, as synthetic materials can be affected by both heat and cold. Routine maintenance and repairs are also important. Regularly inspect your jewelry for loose stones or broken clasps. You can reattach stones with jewelry adhesive or get professional help if needed. Use a soft polishing cloth to restore shine to tarnished metals. For more complex repairs, consider consulting a specialist. Each material needs a different care routine. For imitation pearls, avoid chemicals and perfumes, and use a soft brush to keep them clean. Handle beaded jewelry carefully and wipe with a damp cloth after use. For rhinestones, store them flat to maintain their shape and tension. Traveling with your jewelry? No problem. Use small pouches or containers to separate each piece and prevent tangling. Layer with fabric to avoid scratches and invest in a travel organizer with compartments for safe storage. Lastly, let's talk eco-friendly maintenance. Use natural cleaning solutions like vinegar and baking soda. Consider recycled storage options like using jars or leftover cloth. Eco-friendly practices not only protect the environment but also keep your jewelry looking great. And there you have it. Keeping your synthetic jewelry sparkling and in excellent condition is easy with these tips. Enjoy the confidence of well-maintained accessories and celebrate the beauty and versatility of synthetic jewelry. Thanks for watching and see you next time.